In this video, you will watch some safety measure during and after an earthquake. But before that, I will give you a background information about earthquake. What is earthquake and how does it occur? Earthquake is one of the natural occurrences that is hard to predict. Earthquake occurs when two crustal plates on Earth slide past each other, causing a fault or fracture in the rocks that result, which is sudden trembling of Earth's surface. This tremor lasts only for a few seconds and could either be strongly felt or not felt at all.
Guys, ang gwapo niya pala. Selfie pa eh. Tama na yan. Tara naman, oo. Tingnan mo, nakapapangit mo. Nakapapangit mo. Huwag na tayo manood nun. Ayaw daw, guys. Guys, di nyo ba nararamdaman yun?
OA na naman yan, best. OA lang yan. Huwag niyong pansinin yan. Picture na tayo.
Guys, teka lang pa. Pakiramdaman niyo naman kasi! Oh my God!
Here are some safety precautions during earthquake. First, drop down onto your hands and knees so the earthquake doesn't knock you down. Drop to the ground as soon as you can. Second, cover your head and neck with your arms to protect yourself from falling debris. Third, stay where you are until the shaking stops. However, if you are in danger from falling objects and you can move safely, crawl for additional cover under a sturdy desk or table. Next, do not run outside or get in a doorway, as this does not provide protection from falling or flying objects, and you may not be able to remain standing. Second, stay away from glass, windows, outside doors, and walls, and anything that could fall, such as lights, fixtures, or furnitures. And lastly, hold on to any sturdy covering so you can move with it until the shaking stops. Stay where you are until the shaking stops. Here are the things you need to do after earthquake. When the shaking stops, look around. If there is a clear path to safety, leave the building and go to an open space away from damaged areas. If you are trapped, do not move about because more debris might fall. Do not panic. After a few minutes, tap on anything that can make a sound like a pipe or wall, or use a whistle so that rescuers can locate you. If you have a cell phone with you and the reception is okay, use it to call or text for help. Once safe, monitor local news reports via battery-operated video, TV, social media, and cell phone, text alerts for emergency information and instructions. Be prepared to drop, cover, and hold on in the likely events of aftershocks.